The City of Charles Sturt's tree canopy improvement strategy aims to address the slow emergency that's happening in our suburbs. We call it a slow emergency because it's happening a little bit at a time and you don't tend to notice it. If we lost all these trees in one hit, you'd notice. But when you lose one tree here and one tree there, it can get missed, yet it adds up and it causes a problem. Our city is changing with a steady rise in urban development and infill, resulting in an incremental decline in tree canopy coverage. This is resulting in the urban heat island effect, where urban areas get hotter due to all the hot, hard surfaces that absorb heat, such as roads, pavement, roofs, driveways and more. More than 60% of our city is covered with these surfaces, replacing trees and vegetation, which naturally alleviate the heat. These surfaces are not only hot during the day, but they radiate that heat at night, which means there's no relief from the heat. With modern mapping tools, you can see the temperature difference the inclusion of greenery can make to our local area. This street, with its large trees, has been shown through temperature mapping to be 13 degrees cooler than an area of the street with smaller trees. Trees and vegetation act as nature's air conditioner to naturally ease the heat in our suburbs. Not only is this street significantly cooler, but it looks beautiful, and it's increased the value of these properties by having these gorgeous street trees. Search trees on our website to learn more about the City of Charles Sturt's tree canopy improvement strategy and learn how you can be part of the transformation.